the decision of the COA kung ano mangyari doon. Kung i-refund nila, bayaran nila. But as of now, sinasabi mo, nanalo sila sa bidding.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Okay. Corban, ba't hindi kayo sumali doon sa bid?
Yung requirements po namin, sir, hindi pa kompleto.
What requirements?
Yung field jobs.
Field jobs?
Opo.
Ninyo. Okay. Sige. Chairman, please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. A while ago, Mayor, tinanong kita kung merong annual procurement plan. Meron.
Some. There were some, sir, that were included in the annual. Yes, sir.
Meron kayong annual procurement plan.
Yes, the municipality has an annual procurement plan, Mr. Chair.
Duly signed by the former mayor. Tama.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Now, was this annual procurement plan submitted to GPPB as required by law? Within the first month of the year? Would you know?
I'm not aware, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Yeah. Hindi ba GPPB na sinasubmit dapat sa inyo ito?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Pursuant to law. First month. Now, Mayor, would you know how much was the APP for the municipality of Silang in the year 2023?
For 2023, our total budget was 1.
No, I'm not asking for the total budget. I'm asking for the total amount of your annual procurement.
More or less 700 billion. More or less 700 billion.
1.7. I cannot recall the exact amount, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
I will tell you, pursuant to records, it is in the amount of 461,747,500 for the year 2023. Yeah.
So it's, yes, noted, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Now, how much was the total actual expenditure by reason of procurement for the year 2023? Would you know?
More than 700 million, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Yes, it's 750 million. In other words, mas malaki yung actual expenditure for your APP.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Yes. Now, matanong uli kita, because of this, nagkaroon ba ng supplemental budget for the 2023 APP to support yung additional procurement beyond the approved amount of 461.747 million?
Sir, may I request that the Sangguniang Vice Secretary answer that question, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair.
Please proceed.
Mr. Chair, we will check our records per supplemental budget.
Anak ng tinapay, ako ang magtatanong ako ang nag-research. Kayo na dapat sumagot hindi nyo alam. Samantalang ako, hindi naman ako taga Cavite, taga Rizal ako.
Mr. Chair, we per our records we have already submitted to.
Kaya nga, nakasubmit kayo, kaya nga tinatanong kayo.
Yes, Mr.
Madam.
Chair.
Yung mga tanong ko naman galing sa mga documents na pinadala ninyo
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Dapat mas alam ninyo. Tama yung sagot ni Mayor. More than 700 million, 750 million ang nakalagay sa records na sinabit ninyo. Diba? No, kasi ang tanong ko, merong sobra Nagkaroon ba ng supplemental budget? Meron. Meron.
May sinabit ka kayo dito
Yes.
O ba't kayo hindi niya matandaan?
Yes.
Yes,
One
sir.
supplemental budget was approved by former mayor. Na. Pero magkano? Yun ang susunod kong tanong. Alam mo kung magkano? Sa report ninyo, 69,223,602.77. Yung supplemental. Now, ang tanong ngayon, saan nanggaling yung sobra pa sa ginastos ninyo na budget?
Sir, I think the former municipal accountant was here. Can hindi ba si Keisha?
Is the former municipal accountant?
Municipal accountant?
She's absent, sir.
What's the name of the former municipal accountant, Mayor?
Keisha Ann Miranda, she's absent today, sir.
I still working in the municipality.
No, sir. She pays suspension per ruling of ombudsman.
So suspended siya.
Dismissal, sir. Dismissal.
Dismissal din. O, Comsec, naimbitahan ba natin yung former municipal accountant?
Yes, Mr. Chair. She was sent an email last November 27 this year. Keisha Ann Veranda, the former municipal.
Ba't wala daw siya?
Unfortunately, sir, she's not present today.
Why?
We have not received any excuse.
So, the show cause order should be issued. Di ba na ako?
Mr. Chair, may I move that we issue a show cause order to the former municipal accountant for being absent in today's hearing after being invited? So move, Mr. Chair.
Second. There's a motion to issue show cause order to the former municipal accountant of the municipality of Silang Cavite. Duly seconded. Any objections? Since none, the motion is carried. Comsec is directed to issue a show cause order for the said
Noted, Mr. Chair.
official. Before we proceed, let me acknowledge the presence of our colleague from Party List Manila Teacher, now the CA member of the CA, Commission on Appointments, Rep. Berelio Lacson. Thank you for coming, boss. Chairman ako, please proceed.
Pagupit na yata. Pagupit na eh.
Hindi ko nga nakilala eh.
Thank you, Mr. Chair, for my last part of my interpellation. May I ask yung vice chair ng Kwan back noon, si Madam Leslie Ann Poblete. Madam Poblete. Now, ito po, simple lang yung sagot dito, yes or no. Now, can you confirm that the procurement process followed all legal and procedural requirements as stipulated by Republic Act 9184 doon sa mga bidding na kinundak ng BAC noong panahon na yan? Can you confirm na sinunod nyo yung procurement process? You're under oath.
Yes, Your Honor. With regards to regular bidding, we follow the procedure. However, based on the previous hearings we had, the small value procurement, we do not follow the procedure.
Pakiulit po yung last portion.
Since it is admitted already in the previous hearing by our Mayor Attorney Kevin, in the small body of procurement, we failed to follow the procedure by
No. Ano po ang sinabi ng mayor po ninyo?
we have the late posting.
Ano?
We have the late posting in the PhilJobs. The event
Hindi ko po makuha yung inyong kasagutan eh.
With regards to small value procurement that is included in the case.
Included in the
case filed in the ombudsman po.
So?
We have the late posting of in the PhilJobs.
So in other words, you confirm na hindi nyo sinunod yung procurement process to the letter?
Yes po. Yes, Mr. Chair.
So you also confirmed that there were deviations made that you did during the procurement process. Nag-deviate kayo dun sa mga rules.
I believe there was.
There was. Thank you. Now, may I know, during the bidding process which you conducted, how were the bids evaluated? And who was involved in the evaluation process? Pwede po bang malaman?
With regards to regular bidding, we have our TWG with us, verifying our papers, and in front of our back secret.
Kaya, hindi ba pag kayo po ay nag-evaluate ng bid, kailangan meron po kayong set of criteria at saka scoring sheets?
Yes, Mr.
Ginawa
Chair.
niyo po ba yun?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ginawa. Pero pagkatapos ng event, ginawa niyo lang yun pagkatapos na ng event. Kasi yun ang lumabas lahat sa AOM ng COA.
Mr. Chair, yes, with respect to small value procurement po.
Pakiulit po.
Mr. Chair, with regards to small value procurement po, it happened po.
Kaya nga, we're talking of yung 16 na AOM ng COA na procurement. Whether they're regular or SVP, may sinusunod na proseso. Kaya ang tanong ko po sa inyo, nasunod ba, yung una kong tanong, nasunod ba lahat ng proseso? Sabi nyo kanina, hindi, may deviation. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Sunod kong tanong, doon sa pag-evaluate ng mga submitted bids, di ba tinanong ko sa inyo, sino po ang gumawa nun, yung evaluation na yun? At saka tinanong ko rin, meron po ba kayong evaluation criteria at saka scoring sheet? Sabi mo rin, oo. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Pero lahat yun, paano nyo ginagawa ng tama, pero ginawa nyo naman yan pagkatapos na nung event? Di ba? Kasi ginawa nyo lang yung process of procurement para lang i-justify yung nagawa nyo na eh. Payag po ba kayo ron? Na gano'n na nangyari?
Mr. Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Yes, ang sagot po ninyo?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Yung bang communications ninyo with the supposed to be bidders, na document po ba yun? Hindi rin. Yes, ma'am.
With regards to communication with the bidders, we have our back secretariat who's assisting us.
Yeah, pero nagawa nyo po ba? Yun lang po ang tanong ko.
Yes po.
Yes. Ang nag-file ng bid, kasama na yung favored na supplier or contractor ninyo dahil nakapag-supply na siya eh. Di ba? Ibig sabihin, alam nyo na yung nanalo eh. Kasi siya na nga ang gumawa eh. Would that be correct? Yes or no? Kasi nangyari na kasi yung event eh. Kaya alam nyo na kung sino yung nag-supply. Di ba? Kaya yung ginawa nyo na bidding, katarantaduhan. lahat ng parte na ginawa nyo, mali na. Kasi, ano yung bidding? Hindi ba dapat magbibid pa lang yung probable na gagawa ng project? Pero nagawa na yung project bago kayo nagkuha ng bidding Di ba? Yeah. Yes or no?
Um,
Nahirapan ka dahil nagsimula ka sa mali Di ba? Mula sa umpisa, mali na talaga. Kasi, ginawa nyo na yung event, saka lang nyo i-justify by conducting, allegedly, a bidding. Ang tawag po namin doon fake na bidding na yun Ginawa nyo lang yun para i-justify yung nangyari na. Kung titignan mo yung 16 na AOM, ganun ang nangyari. Hindi nyo sinunod lahat yung requirements. Kaya po kayo ngayon nagkakakaso. Madam, would you agree?
yes, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Chairman Akop. Before I recognize Kong Riola, ma'am, ganito lang po. Kasi alam niyo naman po na-implement niya, diba? Tapos na Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Alam niyo rin na mali. Na-ibig na tapos na yung event. Pinagastosan na, may gumastos na private supplier, tapos bingid. Alam niyo na mali. Tama? Yes or no na, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, please answer yes or no. Alam niyo na mali o hindi? Kasi may sunod ako na tanong
With regard to process po, mali po talaga.
Mali. Alam niyo na mali ang process. Tama? Now,
Yes.
what forced you to do that process na mali? In the first place, alam niyo na mali. Ano ba? Dikta, pressure, o what? Ano, ma'am? Are you pressured by the former mayor? Para ituloy yung bidding kahit mali? Ma'am, yes or no lang. Kung hindi kayo na-pressure, the buck stop on you. Ma'am, please. Walang pressure. Hindi kayo pinersa. Kahit alam niyo na mali.
Mr. Chair, may
Yes,
I
Chairman.
remind the resource person that under our rules, if you do not answer any question from the members of this committee, you can be cited in contempt. And refusal to answer any question, napakahaba po nung period na ma-detain po kayo. Kaya sagutin po ninyo yung katanungan ng chairman.
Honestly po, wala naman pong pressure doon po sa pag-ano po at being one of the department head din po na nagkakaroon ng event, it is really yung mga nakakandak po na event na hindi nababayaran yung supplier, doon po yung parang naging call of duty na mabayaran sila. sa mga na-supply nila, especially yung mga kinakandak na event is very essential in our performance of our duty in the municipality po.
So ma'am, ganito. So walang pressure. So alam niyo na mali, ginawa niyo. Baka makalusot. Ganon?
Actually po, when I was appointed as back vice chairman po, it is their process na po. So, yun po yung naging practice po with the small value procurement po.
Yan yung naging practice noon pa. Tama?
Yun po yung nadatnan ko po.
Yun ang nadatnan mo. Pero alam mo na mali.
At that time po, dun po sa small value procurement na hindi po ako
Hindi ka aware.
po.
Ba't ka naging vice chairman? Ba't mo tinanggap na hindi mo pala kabisado yung procurement law?
I was appointed po. So,
Kaya, pwede mo naman i-refuse eh. Di ba? Yung appointment. Kunwari, ni-refuse mo, sabihin mo na hindi po ako pwede dahil hindi ko alam yung procurement law.
yes.
So, naging practice na lang. Ganon lang.
Yes, sir, Mr. Chair.
Yung gaano ka na ba katagal sa municipality of Silang?
Only in 2022 po, July.
2022 ka lang pumasok.
Yes.
Anong
Mr.
position mo, ma'am?
That time po is I am licensing officer 3 po during 2022 and
2022 of what? Upon the assumption of Mayor Anarna.
yes, Mr. Chair.
So, hinire ka niya.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Mhm. Mr. Owen, ikaw po, mga ilang taon ka na sa municipality of Silang?
Mr. Chair, good morning. Ang date of employment ko po is August 15, 2022.
Same kayo.
Opo, pero I resigned last July 1 of this year po.
And then, pero upon assumption of the former mayor, kaya kayo na kapasok?
Hindi po, nag-apply po ako. It took siguro po mga more than a month din po bago po ang
Basta, July 1 siya mo po, di ba? As mayor?
Opo,
So, ikaw tinanggap ka August.
August 15 po.
August 15.
Opo. And then I was
Anong position mo, sir?
Sir, Assistant Municipal Assessor po.
Anyway. Yes. Congressman Loyola.
May tanong lang po ako sa ating back chairman, Mr. Chair. Mr. Teodoro Desinganya.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
With the permission of Mr. Chair, Mr. Desinganya, when did you assume as chairman of the back of the municipality of Silang?
Mr. Chair, I assume the position of the back as back chairman on May 2024 upon receiving the office order of the acting municipal mayor then, Your Honor.
And being the chairman of the back, you are the record custodian of all the documents of the Bid and Awards Committee. Am I correct?
Being the back chairman, Your Honor, I am not the record custodian, but it heavily relies on the back secretariat, Your Honor.
Did you remember having issued a certification that that contracts involving security and construction agreement involving BAT Security Services Incorporated and Demsel Enterprises to the effect that there were no back documents such as purchase request, obligation request, bill jet? Do you remember this one?
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. I remember I issued certification for my position as being the back chair and issued that.
And do you confirm and affirm the contents of your certification issued sometimes in August 2024 regarding the contract for security services and construction agreement involving BATS Security Service and DM Select Enterprises.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, I request my move that we invited for the next hearing the BAT Security Service Incorporated and the DM Select Enterprises to shed light on the above on the mentioned transaction with the municipality of Silang.
COMSEC is directed to invite the mentioned company on the next hearing.
I also move, Mr. Chair, that the Commission on Audit to look into the transaction involving the security services and construction agreement as contained in the certification issued by the back chairman, Mr. Teodoro Desingano.
COA is
I so move,
directed to check on the issue that was raised by Congressman Loyola.
And to submit report, Mr. Chair, in the next hearing.
COA,
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
but that date is May 2024, no?
The certification was issued date August 2024, but the transaction was entered into during the past administration. Mr. Chair.
During the past administration daw yung transaction, but the certification was signed August of 2024. Pakicheck na lang po, COA.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
That will be all, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Loyola. Any more from the members? Diyan ako. Wala. Anyway, wala dito yung mayor, tsaka yung iba pa mga invited resource person to shed light on the issue with regards to resolution that was filed by Congressman Loyola. So we'll set another schedule. Di pa po tayo tapos. And I hope that in the next hearing, those resource person present will be present once again to shed light on the issues that are being raised to this inquiry by this committee. Now, do I hear a motion?